Hello there. We are going to be discussing patterns today. Here we have a pattern of a chessboard. The pattern contains white, black, white, black, white, black, white, and what do you think comes next? Black. Then we have patterns with shapes and colors. We have a circle, then we have a square. Circle, then a square. Circle, and then we'll add a square. We can also do here colors. Red, white, red, white. There are just patterns everywhere. Now over here we have patterns of rectangles, all different sizes. We have a big one, then a small rectangle, a big rectangle, a small rectangle. Not only that, if you want to even look at it, you can even do it using it down. Oh, really there are patterns everywhere. We're going to look at these patterns over here because this is actually quite interesting. We're going to move down to the flowers. The flowers you could have a pattern 2 in a row. Red flowers, blue flowers, red flowers, and now we can color the next set blue. The same thing goes for the hearts. We have 2 green over here, then red. 2 green, then we can color red. We can find patterns everywhere. Oh, look at this. Patterns in our alphabet. We are not going to look at the first line, but look at the second line. The second line we have a P, then a U. A P, then a U. A P, and what comes after? A U. That's correct. And the same thing goes for the third line. Y, O. Y, O. Y, O. And we'll continue on to our next nature pattern. Here we go. There are patterns even in nature. Here's a zebra. A zebra has stripes, black and white stripes all over him or her. We have white and black, white and black, white and black. Wow, look how beautiful nature could be with adding patterns. And lastly, let's turn to our snake. Our snake is also beautiful. It's brownish reddish, then black, with a little sliver in the middle of white. And the pattern repeats itself. Black, white, black, and then we put in a little bit also again of brown/red. I hope you enjoy our pattern slideshow and see that just looking around anywhere you are, you can find patterns. Hope you enjoyed.